Welcome to Wealth Path. We're glad to be with you on this journey to grow wealth and achieve financial freedom together. Today, we're talking about something that can completely change your financial future: the time value of money compound interest. If you're in your early 20s, the choices you make now with your money can have a huge impact. We'll also show how, even in your 20s, you can start with a small amount of savings to grow wealth significantly to retire early in your 50s, thanks to compound interest and the time value of money. Let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do it now by hitting the subscribe button below. Because you don't want to miss our research-based content about finance and investment to help you make informed decisions on your path to financial independence. Compound interest is essentially interest earned on both your initial investment, called the principal, and on any interest that has already accumulated. It's like a snowball effect, where your money makes money, and over time, even a small initial amount can grow significantly. The time value of money is the idea that $1 today is worth more than $1 tomorrow because money can grow over time. In simple terms, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Starting to save and invest in your 20s instead of your 30s can make a massive difference. To show you just how powerful starting early can be, let's look at two scenarios. In scenario 1, we have someone who starts investing $100 a month at age 20. Every year, they increase their monthly savings by 10%. With an average 7% annual return, we'll see how much they accumulate by age 55. In scenario 2, another person starts the same plan, saving $100 per month and increasing it by 10% each year. But they wait until age 30 to start. Let's see how much each person has by age 55. Let's break down scenario 1. This person starts investing at age 20 with $100 per month, increasing it by 10% each year. With a 7% annual return, by age 55, their savings would grow to about $1,245,698. Let's break it down at a few milestones. By age 25, they'd have around $10,200. By age 35, their savings grow to approximately $92,000. By age 45, they'd reach around $358,000. And by age 55, they'd have an impressive $1,245,698. Starting early and saving consistently allows this person to accumulate over $1 million by age 55. All from starting with just $100 per month at 20 and gradually increasing the contributions each year. Now let's look at scenario 2. This person starts saving $100 per month at age 30, also increasing it by 10% each year. With the same 7% annual return, here's what they'd have. By age 35, they'd have around $10,200, which is where scenario 1 was at age 25. By age 45, they'd accumulate about $92,000. So by age 55, they end up with $398,298. Still a significant amount, but far less than the first saver accumulated. Starting 10 years earlier made a huge difference in scenario 1. So what's the takeaway? In scenario 1, by starting at age 20, the first saver was able to accumulate $1,245,698 by age 55. In scenario 2, the second saver, who started at age 30, ended up with less than $400,000. This clearly shows that when it comes to investing, time is one of the most powerful tools you have. The earlier you start, the more you can take advantage of compound growth. Now, you might be thinking, how can I find an extra $100 to save every month? When you're just starting out in your 20s, budgeting can be tough, especially if you're paying off student loans or working with an entry-level salary. Here are some practical ways of saving $100. You'd be surprised at how small changes can add up. Example of saving $100 per month. 1. Cut back on coffee and takeout if you're used to grabbing coffee or a quick snack on the go. Consider making your own coffee at home and packing an energy bar in your backpack. This is the match. Coffee, $3 per cup, 3 times a week equals $36 per month. Takeout or lunch out, $10 per meal, 4 times a month equals $40 per month. Total potential savings, $76 per month. By brewing coffee at home and preparing a couple of extra meals each week, you could easily save around $70 a month. Little adjustments like this make a big difference without requiring major sacrifices. 2. Swap a subscription service or gym membership for a free alternative. Review any subscriptions or memberships you're not fully using. For example, gym membership, $75 a month. You could switch to home workouts or use free apps. 3. Reduce utility bills. Save on electricity, water, and other utilities by making small adjustments. Turn down the thermostat. Lowering your heating or cooling just by 1 or 2 degrees will still make you comfortable but save you $10 to $20 per month. Take shorter showers. Cutting a few minutes off your daily shower can save on water and energy bills. These may seem like small changes, but cutting back on energy use and water can lower your utility bill by $20 each month. 4. Sell unused items or do freelance work. If you have clothes, gadgets, or other items you're no longer using, sell them online through platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace. You might also consider occasional side jobs, like freelancing, tutoring, or delivering food, to bring in extra cash. Monthly goal. Aim to make $30–50 a month from reselling or side gigs. With small adjustments to your spending habits, you can easily save over $100 a month. Remember, the time value of money is key, and every little bit you save today can make a big difference in your financial future. If you put that money to work by investing, you're setting yourself up for long-term growth. And that's a wrap. If you're in your 20s, now is the best time to start saving and investing, even if it's just $100 a month. Over time, those small amounts can add up to something life-changing. You can retire early in your 50s and enjoy financial freedom longer. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe. In our next video, we dive into how to put the $100 monthly saving into long-term investment. We'll cover the essentials of understanding market cycles and how to use this knowledge for smarter, long-term investing. See you in our next video.